arbitrationagreements.org. Have you ever found yourself tangled up in a dispute thinking, there's got to be a better way? Well, guess what? There is. It's time we dive deep into the world of mediation firms and unravel the magic they bring to the table. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you solve problems with speed and cost-effectiveness in mind. First off, what is a mediation firm? Imagine a place dedicated to helping individuals, businesses, and groups find mutual ground, fostering understanding and resolution without the need for a court battle. That's right. A mediation firm helps parties reach amicable solutions, offering them a chance to voice their concerns, feelings, and thoughts, all under the guidance of a trained mediator. Now let's sprinkle in some fascinating stats. Did you know that over 70% of disputes that undergo mediation reach a resolution outside of court? And get this, those who choose mediation typically save up to 60% in costs compared to traditional litigation. But why choose mediation? Here's the golden trio. It saves time, money, and reduces stress. Let's face it, court battles can drag on for months, even years. The financial burden, the time commitment, the emotional roller coaster, it's all too much. Mediation, on the other hand, offers a quicker, more cost-effective, and significantly less stressful alternative. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. If you're looking for the best in the mediation business, look no further. Welcome to arbitrationagreements.org. We pride ourselves on being the top mediation firm in the country. From full-scale mediation programs to specialized services and an array of resources, we've got it all. With a track record of countless success stories, we are here to guide you through the process, ensuring you have the best possible experience. So next time you find yourself in a pickle, remember that mediation is the key. And who better to help you turn that key than us at arbitrationagreements.org. Please visit our website to quickly access any aspect of our mediation programs, services, and resources. Also, what do you think about the advantages of mediation? Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you succeed.